Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are in Summerlin, and this is West Las Vegas. And for today's property tour, we're going to be checking out the brand new community of Edgewood by Tri Pointe Homes. And they got a total of 4 plans. And for today's video, we're going to be checking out plan number 2. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas area, tap the subscribe button below. Also, tap that notification bell. That way, when we do upload these tours, you guys receive the notification and always the first to learn about them. Now, let's get started. All right, guys, so here we are in the community of Edgewood in Summerlin by Tri Pointe Homes. For today's property tour, we're gonna be checking out plan number 2, which is this one right here. And then I'll have the upcoming video of plan number 4 here. So they do have a total of 4 different floor plans here available. They do have 1 single-story home that is available in this community, and then the 3 other ones are 2-story homes. So let me give you before I actually give you the details, I actually wanted to start back here to show you how in this community, guys, you are gonna have the garage on this side and the front entrance on the opposite side. And also on some, depending on the floor plans and the lot, some you won't necessarily have like a backyard like your traditional home, but you do have on some of them, you will have a side yard. So quick little disclaimer on there. So if you are looking for a big backyard, this might not be the community for you. So really quick, show you here in the back end, and now let's go to the other side in the front and I'll give you the full details. All right, so like I mentioned earlier, the main entrance is gonna be on the opposite side. But before I actually show you the home, guys, let me show you the view from here. I swear this camera does no justice, but let me zoom in just a bit. You can see the strip from here. Check this view out. Beautiful. This is pretty much what my eyes see right now, kind of zoomed in. But check it out. All right, so now let's get back to the tour. So here it is, guys. Here's the front entrance here of this plan number 2. Let me actually, wow, it's a little chilly out here today. I should have brought a sweater and I didn't. All right, so let me stand right here. So that's plan number 4 right there. This is plan number 2. Let me stand back a little bit so you can get a good view. Here it is, perfect. So this is plan number 2, guys. This comes in a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom. It is 2,390 square feet, 2-car garage, and starting base price is $837,000. That does not include any of your upgrades or your lot premiums. Here in this community, guys, I mean, lot premiums are varying. So it is Summerlin, guys, from either $35,000 to up to around $90,000. They do have some special lots that can even go up to $200,000. You heard that correctly, $200,000. It is Summerlin, guys. If you know anything about it, it's a really nice, popular area. And also, in upgrades here in this community, I would say, I mean, it's hard to say, but everybody's so different, right? A number I always like to use, especially in these higher end homes, I would say about 15% additional to that base price. So you know, maybe for this plan, maybe I would add about 100,000, and that would give you a rough idea of the out the door price. And I hope that does help you guys out. Also, from here, you are about 25 minutes from the strip, 30 minutes to the airport, and about 10 minutes to downtown Summerlin. And I would say about 20 minutes to Red Rock Canyon. All right, well, here's a quick view. Now let's go inside and check out this beautiful home. I cannot wait to show you, because honestly, guys, Tri Pointe is one of my favorite builders, and you're gonna see why. So kind of before we walk in, I want to show you this this courtyard before. Since, you know, I mentioned you won't have like necessarily a backyard, but depending on the plan you go with, you can have a side yard. Pretty much this is gonna be your backyard. Check this out, guys. I mean, really nice. I mean, especially in Summerlin, guys, you know, a lot of people want these nice houses, and maybe, you know, not necessarily, you know, the big lot. That's gonna be to the primary bedroom. We'll see that in just a second, but I'm coming over here to show you from this angle. Look at this. Really beautiful. So what do you guys think about that? I like how it has a lot of windows here, kind of, you know, showing the exterior here at this outside courtyard. But check this out. And then that one right there is to the your primary, and it also is a covered patio as well. Check this out. So we got some people viewing this home right now. We're gonna kind of sit behind, wait a bit, and then I'll continue this tour, guys. All right, check out this beauty. Really quick, guys, I did forget to mention here, HOA is $220 a month, and they do have a sit-in lid. It's $750 biannually. So every 6 months you make that $750 payment. But I'm gonna do this tour a little faster than normal, guys. There's a ton of people coming in and out these model homes today, so I do apologize. But here we have the living room. Keep in mind, guys, this is a model, highly upgraded. Everything's pretty much upgraded, like you see, so just be mindful. In between your living room, kitchen, you have the dining, and then check out this kitchen, guys. What do you guys think of the kitchen? I don't know why the lights are off, so I do apologize. This is a little dark here in this floor plan. They must be working on some electrical issues, but nice hot water falls over. Got the quartz countertop stove. You got the brown cabinets, stainless steel hardware, built-in microwave oven, refrigerator is right there. Pantry is right here. It's dark, lights off, but let me show you. Look at this view, guys, though. Really quick, look at that. Pointing into your courtyard and into your living room. Definitely love those beams on top, really nice. Really quick, today we're going off a little bit different than usual, because there's people coming in and out, so I'm gonna just try to do this as fast as I can. Over here you got your laundry room. And then right here, coat closet. That door right there can be to your garage, locked, so I cannot show you. Then right over here, you got your powder room. And then your primary bedroom. Look at this beauty. Really beautiful. Definitely love how Tri Pointe designs their home. You also have that slider I showed you in the courtyard to go out to the your side yard, courtyard, whatever you want to call it. And then you have your primary bathroom. Check this out. Wow. Let me know what you guys think. Really beautiful. I wish I could turn on the lights. It's a little dark in here, but it is what it is. We'll work through it. And there's your primary closet. And then right here is your toilet. So now let's go to the other side. So you got one bedroom downstairs, and then you got another one upstairs, and we're gonna be checking out that balcony, and that'll be the last part of this tour. Can't wait to show you that part. That is my favorite part. So let's come over here. So you do have a bedroom here downstairs. Like this. Also, it looks like 9-foot ceilings here throughout. Forgot to mention that. And you also have, this is a bedroom suite right here with your own shower. Really nice. So today we're just jamming through, guys. Surprised nobody's walked in just yet, but I don't want to jinx myself. Linen. Just don't like to record when people are here, because who likes to be on camera, right? It just makes them feel uncomfortable. But look at this closet. This thing is huge. Nobody likes to be on camera, right? Now let's go upstairs. Also, if you guys are enjoying this tour, guys, do me a huge favor. Like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. That way you guys are notified as soon as I upload these beautiful home tours. And then up here you have like a little loft area. Pretty cool. Like this. And also, if you guys want to come and check out these new constructions, and maybe you want a realtor like myself, or maybe you already have your own realtor, guys, it's very important that we do come with you on that first visit, guys, if you guys want us to represent you. So just a quick FYI. This bedroom up here. And you got your closet, and then you guys guessed it, your own bathroom. This. Pretty cool. There it is. Let me show you something really quick before I end. I mean, look at these views, guys. Man, does cost a pretty penny. I'm not saying it's cheap. Oh, I almost forgot. I was saving the best for last, which is that balcony. How dare I? Let's go check it out. It is a little windy today. Like I said, it is a chilly day today. Let me show you this. Look at this, guys. So this oversees right here is the courtyard. Wow, so beautiful. I feel like I'm gonna drop my camera. Got the nice mountain views, look at that. Doesn't get much better than this, guys. Look at this. Beautiful views. And let me show you right here. So it is covered. Good size too, really good size. So whoever's staying in that top bedroom is most likely gonna be enjoying this balcony the most. Oh, man. All right, guys, well, if you guys enjoyed this property tour and would like to come see this house, I will have my contact info in the description below, guys. You know, if you wanna come check out this floor plan, maybe another plan here in this community, or maybe a whole different community, or resale homes or looking to sell, I definitely love to assist you. I will have my contact info below. Don't hesitate to reach out, guys. And also, if you guys did enjoy this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Until next time, guys.